Hello guys. So this will be our last video for STLs. Now in this video we are gonna see algorithms. So I'll just explain you quickly what are these algorithms and then we can see the codes. So you know that sort we used to sort vectors and array etc. Reverse is used to reversing the characters in vector. Time complexity for sort is big O of n log n and for reverse is big O of n. Then find is used to find the elements, count is used to count the occurrences, min element is used to find the pointer pointing to minimum element, max element is used to find the pointer pointing to max element. Binary search is used for binary search, time complexity big of log n, and lower bound and upper bound. Lower bound is used to find pointer which points greater than or equal to element greater than or equal to target, and upper bound founds pointer pointing greater than equal greater than target, not equal to. Now swap is used to swap two values. Accumulate is used to sum entire vector. Then next permutation is used to generate next lexicographically greater permutation. Previous permutation exactly opposite, that is previous lexicographically lesser permutation. Then unique is used to move all the duplicate values to the end of the array and return the pointer to the new logical end. Like for example, here you can see there are multiple duplicate values. So it will just move all the duplicate values to the end here, and it will return a pointer that is pointing to the next logical end. This is the new logical end, and after that we can erase from it to v dot end, means we can just erase this part. So basically what we are doing is we are removing the duplicate values using two functions, unique and erase. Now rotate is used to rotating the array within a range, like rotate v dot begin plus 2 and v dot end means we are rotating by two positions. So if we rotate by one position we get this, and when we rotate by two position we get this. Fill is used to fill a range with a given value, like if we create a new vector v5 and we want to fill all the element as 5, so we'll just use the fill function and all the elements will become 5. Now min function is used to choose minimum between these two given numbers, and max is used to choose max between these two given numbers. So yeah, these were all the algorithms. I'll just show you some of them in the code. Now we'll look at the code. I've just written the code once so it can save your time. Now we will use vector. We are using algorithms. We'll also use numeric algorithms. So we have included all the header files. Now let's just start. Let's say we have declared one array 528216. So we'll start with sort. Sort will sort this complete array in ascending order. Then reverse will convert it to descending order by reversing all the elements. Then we will find the value 5. So each iterator will be point to the 5. Then we get the count of 2 here using count function. After that we are using minimum element to find the minimum element, max element to find the max element. Again we are sorting it. Then after that we are using binary search for searching. Then we are also using lower bound and upper bound. Lower bound will give us pointer that is pointing to the element which is greater than equal to 5, and upper bound will give us the pointer which is pointing to the element which is greater than 5. Now swap will do nothing but just swap. This is swapping. After that, int sum. Accumulate we will use to find the sum. Next permutation, previous permutation. Also we will sort it again. Then we will use unique. Are there unique values? Yeah, there are unique values. The 2 is twice, so unique values will also be deleted here. and after that we will use rotate and fill. So I'll just run the code once. Sorry, where the error has come, let me just check it. Okay, so first thing first, it has given us the minimum element, that is 1. Then it has given us the maximum element, that is 8. After that, it has given us boolean if 5 is present or not. It is 1, that means true, 5 is present. Then lower bound greater than equal to 5, so it is 5, and greater than 5 it is 6. After that, the sum is 24. So next permutation previous, these are not printed. Here we have deleted. Let's say after deleted, I'll just print the array once. So after deleting, we will print once. Here you can see after 24, 1 2 5 6 8, 2 was twice, but now it is once, as we have already deleted the duplicates. So that's it for this video, and also we have officially covered all the STLs. Now from next video, I'll try to solve the questions on all the topics we have covered, and after covering like a significant amount of questions, then we will step on to the next topics. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.